Hello
Hi
everyone!
Hello, welcome to LEIYON online showroom.
Welcome!
Thank you for watching us and joining us today. We represent LEIYON company. My name is Victoria.
I'm Dan.
And thank you for staying with us. Well, at first we had this idea to make our broadcast from our production building so that you could have a maximum possible real presence effect and feel like you're taking a real factory tour with us. But unfortunately,
The thing is, because we are manufacturing speakers,
right,
and there's actually a lot of noise need to test the speaker itself and during the processing. So the trial run was insufferable for viewers. So
that's right.
yeah, we decided to move to our office
Yes,
building.
we had to choose our showroom over the production building because it has noise protection and maybe really more suitable for a product presentation.
Yes,
right.
true. That's true.
Anyway, thank you for joining us today in our online Canton Fair show. You can see our email address at the top of your screen, so if there are any questions or you need any assistance from our side, you have any inquiries, please remember to contact us. We will be looking forward to see your feedback because it's really important for us.
That is her personal email.
Yes, that's right. And our team will be here for 24 hours broadcast, so you can watch us anytime which is convenient for you.
Yeah, if you think you missed something, like if you started in the middle of the show or the late part of the show, you could always send an email to us
Sure, and
directly.
we will share all the information. We will share our quotations, our full company profile, anything you will require.
Which later on we will briefly go through our e-catalog as well.
That's right.
Yeah.
And we are going to have this PowerPoint presentation, which you can see on your screen, so you know what we are talking about now. So what we are going to share with you today. Of course, we will start from a short introduction of our company.
Yeah, just for people who didn't
who doesn't know us too well or hears about us for the first time. Then we will introduce all our products, all the categories we are doing. And after that, we will highlight our new and best-selling items.
Yes.
So
that's a very exciting program.
That's right. Actually, we have prepared a 3D tour for you. It was very hard to make because now it's a raining season in China, so you can see it's a bit cloudy. But still, we want you to see the scenes, especially for those who didn't visit us before, so you could have an idea where we are located, and I think it can help to reduce the distance between us, right?
And just so you know, we're actually a factory and where we're located and what's the environment we're working. So maybe get closer.
We're really thankful to these modern technologies, which allow us really to have this introduction.
So if you visit us, this will be actually the company
this is the main entrance.
Yeah, that's the main entrance, and this is the first production building.
Yes, actually LEIYON, Guangdong LEIYON Intelligence Technology Corporation, our company was founded in 2005. As a company and as a brand, we were founded in 2005, but actually our owners started doing electronics business much earlier in 80s. So we really can say we do carry a more than 30 years of experience in electronics and 15 years of experience in audio goods production, which is our main line now. So this is our lobby.
This is the full name.
Yeah. Our company is LEIYON. LEIYON. It's our lobby and reception. We have, this is our office building. Actually, we are here now on the second floor.
If you come here right now, get on the stairs and make a turn, we are in the lecture room. Yes, training room. Yes, it is.
Well, it's our showroom now.
Oh yeah, true. Now it's a live broadcast showroom.
Yes. And maybe let's see our production building.
Yes.
Actually, the territory of our company covers 40,000 square meters. 40,000, it's quite a big territory, and we have two production buildings.
This
We
is the
have
number
2
one.
dormitories. Yeah, this is a first production building. It has 3 floors. First floor is our warehouse, and the second and third floor are production lines.
Yeah,
And this is our second production building.
second production
It's
building.
same. The first floor is for keeping some materials, some big size materials like packaging,
Yes.
polyfoam, also some wooden cabinets of
I
big
think
speakers.
if we zoom in here, yes,
Yes, they
it is
are
the
unloading some carton boxes now.
packaging. Yes.
That's right. So here you can see a small park. Actually,
There's
our
a lot of
territory is
green.
quite nice. It's quite a nice atmosphere here. It's green, and many workers like to have a rest here.
Yes.
This is a dormitory building, and first floor is a canteen.
Yes.
We have 2 dormitory buildings. This is a basketball playground. You know, basketball is a very popular sport in China, and many workers like to play it
It is
after
my
their
home
shift.
court.
Yeah,
Come
Dan
and
is
challenge me.
also
I'm not good though.
Dan is a big fan of basketball.
Yes.
That's right.
So that's pretty
That's
much it.
pretty much it. That's right. So getting back to our factory and some other information that sorry, Dan, could you please turn to
Yes.
the PowerPoint presentation? Thank you.
Where is it? Where is Are you holding something?
No, I don't.
Okay, try.
Still no.
No?
Okay.
Back.
Well, so as I was talking right now, we really carry a more than 30 years of experiments in electronics and about 15 years of experiments in audio goods production. Actually, some of our old customers still know us under brand name BEST,
Yes,
B-E-S-T, which was involved in TV and VCD player
Yeah.
production back to those days. But now we mainly switch to the audio products now. But here you also can see our main lines. Well, we will introduce them shortly, and after a couple of minutes we will show you our catalog.
Yeah.
So hi-fi systems, actually you can also see some
Maybe,
behind
yeah.
our back here.
This set. Some yeah, that's the mid-size one. We have
Yeah.
micro one. We have bigger one.
Yes, so this is a middle-sized hi-fi systems. We make them in 2.0 and 2.1 channel, all kind of size, all kind of panel design, and different power output. Then we have home theater systems, 5.1 home theater systems, portable speakers, also all kind of speakers, and actually you can also
you can-
see
yeah.
some
These
new
3.
and popular designs here. They're shining. Hope it's not
Brings up-
bothering you too much.
No, it's a it's
Yeah,
a
brings party atmosphere,
yeah,
right?
atmosphere.
Okay. So we really have all kind of portable speakers too, all kind of power size design. So please send us your inquiries. If you have
Yes.
any interest, please remember to contact us. We will be waiting for your emails. And we also produce karaoke machines, which are very popular, especially this year because many areas are on a lockdown.
Yeah.
So it's karaoke machine. It's a great product to
Enjoy
enjoy.
entertainment.
Yeah, enjoy time with your family and friends while you are at home.
Yeah.
And soundbar, which you also can see now on our
Star
table.
of the day.
Yeah, and we are going to talk about it now. So Soundbar, which is also a great supportive product for TV. But, you know, more than that, in April 2015, LEIYON also launched the production of smart robot vacuum cleaners under brand name Doni. D-O-N-I, right. So we actually have also a Doni online showroom.
Yes, please. After this show, you could also pop by and say hi to
Yes.
my showroom as well.
Our Doni line includes sweeping robots like this,
Yeah,
round
sweeping
shape,
robot, vacuuming robots
and
like
also
this.
portable, hand carry portable vacuum
Yes.
cleaners.
It is actually a quite booming industry right now. Basically, what this product does is it will plan your room and then
That's
walk
right.
around. sweeping, vacuuming, and also doing wet mopping at the same time.
It's cool.
So it's quite a good product to help people do less of their chores and then keep the flat or your home more clean.
Yes, this vacuum robots is a new trend of this generation. So if you have any interest, if you want to start this business, please you can see our Doni team details on the PowerPoint presentation. You can see the website and our sales contacts.
Yes.
Well, the first one is Dan's contact.
Welcome to drop me an email, and
yes, please.
You could just pop by to our showroom, say hi, and just to see how many models of our vacuuming robot is, which we will newly release some product this year, some new model.
Actually, for Doni, we support a very attractive distributor program.
Yes, we try to promote this brand because this is a new booming industry, but still, because of the cost of it itself, it's quite high. And a lot of people, even though they're interested in, but they're afraid of, let's say MOQ is 2,000 pieces, then there'll be a lot of stress for the cash flow. But that's why we came out. The Doni distributor program only allows you to get MOQ as low as to 200 pieces. You could become our distributor to get a trial run. And more than that, we also provide some commercial materials, which you could just take it and share it online. And worth mentioning, Victoria, it is the big star of all our commercials.
Of all the commercials, okay.
Yes. So yes.
Yes, please. Maybe you will recognize me there. So please welcome to our Doni online showroom too.
Also, last but not least, like you mentioned in your PowerPoint, we do OEM for other brands as well. If you just check our 3D factory tour, we are actually a manufacturer for that.
Yes, so OEM cooperation is also very, very welcome.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. So here you also can see some numbers about us. Actually, we already said that.
Yeah, mentioned a bit.
Well, our monthly production capacity reaches 100,000 pieces per month. And actually for our 3D tour, we can send a link to you because we have it online. So if you want to show it to someone else or review it later, please contact us. Please drop your email. That's right. So we can share it with you. And we
please
can
share your contact. Anything else related to speaker business, to vacuuming robot business, you could also
or just saying hi.
Yeah, or just say hi.
Maybe for our oldest customers.
Yeah.
Right? We hope you are watching us.
Yes.
Well, for those who are interested in our financial situation, our last year turnover reached more than $21 million. And I think it's quite good.
Yeah, this year started rough, but actually after the I think it's around April. That time got stuck a little bit, but after that month, orders started rolling in, and literally yesterday I heard it from our financial manager. It says I think it's already surpassed last year. So I think this year reaching maybe like 25 million US dollar. It should be really achievable, but don't let our CEO know, so they won't increase too much.
That's what we must be thankful for. We must thank our customers for your support. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And we are really happy to serve you and grow and develop together with you.
I think it goes both ways, right? Our customers can get a good quality, reasonable price product from us, and then we grow together with them.
That's right.
This is a kind of long-term relationship.
Yes, we actually very proud to say that we have a presence in more than 100 countries all over the world through distributors, imported local supermarkets, chains,
all kinds,
online retailers. Yes, and we are really proud of that.
Yes.
And our turnover, maybe it's not so clear on the presentation, so I will
pure it up.
Well, our turnover, our shares are like 29% coming from South America and Mexico, 28% from Europe, about 17% from Asia, and 10% both for Middle East and African market. So you can see we really work worldwide on all the markets, and we are familiar with the different requirements of different markets, and including all kind of certification requirements, engineering, some settings, other stuff. So
Safety and functions.
Yes, that's right.
Designs, packaging, even.
Yes, that's right. So we really do have a rich experience in cooperating with the customers all over the world, and we hope you will be our new customer.
Yes. Or at least, not getting hurt. Try to get to know us a little bit.
Yeah, of course.
We could send you some quotation.
Yes,
to compare with.
Please send us your email, send us your information, so we could keep in touch.
Yes.
Well, our staff includes more than 500 people, and you can see how it's split on different departments. Have it divided in different departments. We have more than 100 people occupied in quality control department, which is quite impressive, right? Because we really do pay a very strict attention to the quality control in our company, which we also introduce in details a bit later. And our main intention and our target, our purpose of our work is to establish long-term relationship with our customers, both business relationship and friendship relationship, if it's possible. That's our main intention, and we hope we can grow together and support each other in our development.
Exactly.
So now, excuse me, something's wrong. Okay. So maybe for those who just joined us, let us show you quickly our catalog. Because I think also for those who hears about us for the first time, it's also okay. I will control the catalog from here. Okay. So let me introduce quickly all our categories so you know what we are doing. Well, it's some basic information about us. Well, actually this product you also can see behind our back. It's our new very attractive modern style speaker, actually, which is very nice and has a special function because it can be put not only vertically but also horizontally, so it can be used in different ways and give you a different feeling.
In different settings.
Yes. Also our series with disco lights, they have all kind of lights, not only on the speakers, but
they
also
can project it out
on the panel, and they project them all over the room, on the ceiling. So we do have 3 models in this category. Also our big power wooden cabinet, double 10-inch and double 12-inch speakers for those who like really big bass.
Big power, big bass.
Yes, also a couple of designs. These are also our trolley speakers with high power.
Very heavy, that one.
That's right. And also they have a very good amplifier and deliver a great sound.
Yeah, very rich.
Our karaoke machines. Actually, some products are not in our catalog yet. We have some new models which are not here. So if you want to see our newest models, please remember to send us your email to contact us so we could share them with you.
Yes.
Well, these karaoke machines are our models for every generation and every occasion for kids and adults. Also these boom boxes, all kind of portable speakers, smaller size, bigger size, waterproof speakers. These are very nice home audio systems, or we call them desktop speaker, which which is very nice to
and
put.
that product alone, if I remember correctly, it is itself a 2.1 system.
Yes, it is. It has a built-in subwoofer and it's very powerful. It has 60 watts RMS, so it's really good. We also will introduce it later. And all kind of portable speakers. You can see we have them starting from 6.5 inch, then
with
8
different
inch,
kind of size,
different size, different power, all kind of designs. You can see
different design
Yeah,
in front, different lightning.
I think you will find something up to your taste, because we also have some family models. You can see with different driver, so you can actually make a family
It's like the VW cars, you know, they're just in different shape, but you know the front panel they are quite the same.
That's right. Also this double speaker, double woofer. You can see some models here behind our back too. This tower speaker also very nice for home.
Put in study room.
Yeah, it's also a Bluetooth speaker.
Yeah.
Soundbars, which we are going to introduce today later. So for those who are interested in soundbars, please stay with us. Don't go anywhere. We will introduce them right now.
Yeah.
We have also all kind of soundbars with different panel designs, 2.0 and 2.1 with a subwoofer. Also hi-fi systems, actually, which is our very mature product.
Very mature. It's been in the market for more than a decade.
And we have been producing them also for many years. So we also have a big experience in them. Also 2.0 and 2.1 with a subwoofer, with lights. It's also very nice designs, and all of these designs are our private toolings.
Yeah, you don't see that very often because
you will not see
each of the tooling
design.
costs quite a lot.
That's right. So you will not see the same design in the market because we all have patents for them.
Yes.
Also these smaller size stereo systems or bookshelf speakers, as someone called them.
Yeah.
Also different designs, but they're also very nice.
Yeah. If you want to get to study more of this product, because we couldn't quite see the dimension clear and the function as well, get in touch with Victoria.
Yes, please. We will be waiting for your emails.
Yeah.
And last but not least, our home theaters, which is also a great product for your living room to be used together with a TV. We have this very elegant, very attractive tall boy speakers.
We call it tall boy.
Tall boy. They're very nice. They look very expensive.
Yes.
But the price is reasonable.
Yes. That's very important for manufacturers.
If you want to know how much the price is, please send us your email.
You know what to do.
You know what to do. Also, these smaller speakers, also hi-fi home theater.
Some are exclusively designed for Toshiba.
That's right. Toshiba is one of our customers.
Yes.
So that was our catalog. If you want to send it to review it later, please send us your information so we could share it with you. And now we are back. Sorry. Yeah. And now we are going to introduce our soundbars.
Okay.
Actually, I think this product really need to be highlighted as one of the most potential ones. And you know why then?
Well, the thing is, based on my own understanding, is living room is the center of a home. And then where we're all sitting and looking towards in front, that's the big TV, right? And TV only covers the visual. But nowadays, all the slim TV have not much room for the sound.
Yes, that's right. Actually, for the last decade, we can say there has been quite a breakthrough in TV manufacturing, right? Because all the modern TV, 4K smart TV, they have a very good picture.
Bigger size, slimmer.
Yes, they have a very good picture quality, but their sound performance is not quite good. It's weak maybe in many models because they don't have enough space to put good sound supports components in them.
Yes.
That's why the sound performance of many modern TV and volume level is not quite good, And actually, I read some reviews for a TV, like very expensive TV, like a couple thousand And many consumers, they complain about sound quality, because they say commercials are too loud, or the dialogue is not clear enough, or there is this bass which causing the whole TV buzzing. So they really, when they buy a 4K smart TV, they want the picture to be very good and clear with very bright colors. But at the same time, they also want the sound quality and volume level be top grade too. That's right. So when
speaking for myself, we have a big TV, right? But our TV, well, basically we could ignore for the bass. So there's not much of bass.
That's right.
It is true, like the other customer says, if comes with a bass, the TV have some distortion.
Especially for watching movies, you know, of course it's completely different experience. Exactly. And when people are trying to find a solution on how to improve these audio experiments and improve the sound of movies and music coming from TV, one very important solution is a soundbar. Soundbar, which becomes a very great supportive product for TV and an important accessory in many houses.
Great solution.
That's really a very great solution. And you know, soundbars these days, they are designed to fit perfectly in a very compact space, which is also their very great advantage. And they can help to add a modern look to any place, you know.
These models all can be hanged to a wall,
or
just put on the TV stand.
After I reviewed Amazon feedback of some reviewers on soundbar, because I wanted to sum up why people are buying soundbars, I think it's also very important for you as doing B2C, right, to understand what your target audience thinking. So when I reviewed these final users reviews, the three main reasons I could sum up are because it takes up less space.
My size,
It's easy to set up. It's really easy
comparing. Basically just plug one.
Comparing to, for example, a home theater system.
Well, that one got 6 cables. 4 speakers only.
And one more. For it's also more affordable, which is of course very important. It's very cost efficient. Right. So for example, if you really compare a soundbar with a home theater, which have the same use, they have the same functions, they same purpose, they are a supportive product for TV. Of course, soundbar is much easier to set up and adjust. It's easier for everyone to control it. It doesn't have so many all kind of wires which you need to connect and hold around the room, especially for those who really want to reach surround sound effect and put speakers, behind.
Not said that home theater is not good. It's just in different place.
It's different purpose and depending on different environment, different apartments and houses. And soundbars, of course, they are easier to adjust. They don't have so many settings. So also many people, many markets launching soundbars for the last few years as an alternative for 5.1 systems, mainly because of their price. They are more cost efficient, which is for different target audience might be a very important
wider
issue.
Population.
That's right, to cover a wider customer base. So we are going to share our basic knowledge about soundbars, their basic functions and specifications, and we will highlight their advantages one more time. So for all our models, you can see they have this classic design, which is suitable for every generation.
I'm gonna hold up. You keep.
In every house. This is our best-selling model here. They are made of durable, top-quality materials. The case is made of metal. Of plastic. It's 100% new ABS plastic. It's very durable, it's very steady, and also this speaker grill here, it's made of metal. So we both have 2.0 basic soundbars and 2.1 channel, a soundbar with a subwoofer here, and a subwoofer can be made both wired and wireless. So it's two different options.
Yes.
And actually all our soundbars are our private tooling, so you will not find the same design anywhere in the market.
Ours.
That's right. And we have different panel designs available, because here, you know, we have some space limitations, so we only put these models here, but these are our best-selling models, so it also, I think, will give you an idea of what we do.
Yes.
We have also other designs available, so if you're interested, please contact us, please send us your email so we could share a quotation, more pictures, more product videos for your better review. Well, I think you will agree with me that the design is really very elegant and universal for everyone.
Compact size?
Yes,
Slim?
Mostly we made them in black, you know, because
most TV.
Yeah, it goes along with TV. So in order to match TV, it's like classic black.
Yes.
But you can see the grill color here can be made either black or gray.
Yeah.
For this model here, it's gray. This one is black.
Yes.
So this part can be changed. And I think you also saw this model here, which is made in quite attractive wooden design. Yeah, this material, it's very nice and it's very becoming for the houses with much wooden furniture.
Yes.
Right? Many of our customers choose this color combination, but we also have some other wooden color patterns which you can choose. Maybe you don't like this shade or something. So we are an OEM factory,
yes,
we are a manufacturer, so we can change the product up to your taste.
Yes.
So if you have any interest in this model, you want to try this product, please
or in this category,
just
tell her, share the contact with her, and then we could just customize to make whatever the length, the size, everything according to your requirement.
And actually, when we talk about the material, I'd also like to add that because our speaker grill is metal, for many people, also I saw on Amazon reviews, it's much more practical and they want it to be metal because it's not so easy to collect dust, you know, and become dirty, and also not so easy for children to poke in. That's right.
That was me.
So I think this design is really nice. Yeah. And also all our products, including soundbar, they can pass RoHS certification because they use a high quality plastic, ABS plastic. So it's not a problem for us. And actually on this point, I would like to say it one more time because it's one of the main concerns.
Yeah, a lot of customers ask as well.
A lot of customers ask us, especially European customers, is if our products can pass CE, RoHS and ERP. Yes, the answer is yes. Please don't worry about that if you work with LEIYON. All our products can pass certification, not only Europe certification, but other countries as well. And actually, it's one of the main requirements during product development process. Make sure the product can really pass certification. And we arrange preliminary tests before mass production to ensure it. So we really work close with testing laboratories.
When we are developing it, we already cooperate with them and we get to know how long this product might going to stay in the market, and we predict maybe the rules going to change, you know, some discussion, some seminar with the labs.
Yes, and we have regular trainings from them, both our engineering team and sales. We have trainings from them to know are there any updates, any new standards, new requirements.
Yes, different area have different kind of requirements.
In different countries, that's right. So we are constantly learning new things about it, about certification, and we can ensure our products all can pass it. So let's get a closer look on our soundbars, okay? so you have an idea. Well, you can see this model here. It has this LED display in the middle. Sorry. Oopsie.
Different remote.
Sorry.
Is that different? Is that the
No,
remote?
it's no, maybe the.
But you could adjust it from the side.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, so you can see this LED display here in the middle behind the speaker grill, and it shows playing mode, song number, also playing time, and a volume level. Actually, we know in the market there are many soundbars without LED display, only with indicator lights like here. They are made like that in order to save the cost. But we think that LED display is really important in a soundbar, at least for the user to know which input you are now on, which mode you chose, and at least to know which volume now, you know, how much the volume is. So we made our soundbars with LED display. And the color of this display is also can be chosen. Well, our standard color is red actually, but we also can change to maybe white or blue or green, depending on your requirement. But there is a certain up cost for some colors. So if you want to know more, please contact with us. And also here you can see on the side a control panel.
Nice.
Thank you, Dan.
So cool.
Well, hope you can see it clear. Right. So it has a standby button here. Well, because all our soundbars have standby.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, like that. All they have standby function. If you don't use the unit for more than 20 minutes, it will go into standby mode. And to wake it up, you need to press the standby button. Actually, it's made in order to save power consumption, and it's one of the requirements of ERP certification in Europe. So it's made also for safety. And there is also a mode button here to choose the mode. You can see a USB cone.
Wow,
Sorry.
USB logo?
I mean,
A USB socket?
yes, USB socket. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
And also these two buttons, plus and minus, for volume control. And if you long press them, then you can choose to the previous or the next song.
Yeah. One of the
Thank you,
things I really like about this model is they come with big buttons.
That's right. Buttons are very big, so you can control your soundbar both from here, if you control basic functions, or by a remote control. It's very small and easy to control. It has all the basic
Just a few buttons.
Also a standby button for waking up the unit, mute button if you want to turn off the volume, pair button if you use soundbar to connect to your phone and need to unpair it quickly.
Or your iPad.
Yeah.
With Bluetooth.
That's right. It also has EQ function, so which means you can adjust different EQ presets. We have 5 EQ presets: standard, pop, rock, classic, and jazz. Yes, that's 5. You also can see on our PowerPoint presentation.
Right.
Okay then.
Yes, okay.
Every time, we forget something. Forget one of the EQ presets. Right. So that's why I put it on our PowerPoint presentation.
Good call.
Thank you. So what about the back panel? Well, maybe we will show you this model because this we connected to power now. Well, there is a power switch here. Yes, so you must remember to turn it on before. You can see this AC jack for an AC cable, and also outputs for connecting your soundbar to a TV. Well, because it has aux, coaxial, optical, and HDMI output.
Yeah,
so
very popular.
Pretty all the outputs that can be used for connecting to a TV. Well, our soundbars, you can see they are quite big. Well, their weight is about 2.5 kilogram, and the subwoofer here is 3.6. These models here are 95 centimeters long, so actually they can work also with a very big TV,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
For a big size TV. And actually this model here and here, it's 2 centimeters thicker comparing to other models.
Do you mean the height?
I mean the wide
Oh, the width. Okay.
width. Sorry.
Width.
So yeah, it's thicker and it's bigger because actually it has a bigger speaker size inside.
Okay.
Yeah, and its sound performance is better compared
wider
to
range.
some other, yeah, because it's a bigger size cabinet. So you also can see the dimensions of the woofer on our PowerPoint presentation. And this year we also launched a very cost advantage soundbar here. It's only 62 centimeters long, but it has all the same functions as these big soundbars, and it also can be made together with a subwoofer. It can be made 2.1.
Ah,
so it's
cool.
also a very nice choice, especially for those who want to launch a price attractive product on the market, or maybe something to start with.
The 1P strategy.
Yes, the price is very good, so please send us your email so we could share these details and these numbers with you.
Yes.
Well, I think many of you wanted to know the power output of our soundbars. You know, we have 2.0 and 2.1 models. So 2.0 can be made 20 watt or 30 watt, and 2.1 40 or 60. Actually, it's easy to remember because it's split equally, like
Half.
20 plus 20, yes, or 30 plus 30. That's right. And all our power is RMS. It's not PMPO,
Not
it's
PMPO.
RMS, which means real power average amplifier produces all the time. And it can be measured by engineering equipment. While PMPO, you know, it means peak power, and it's more like a marketing symbol.
So from us, we will tell you IMS. If you want to, in the market, use the marketing strategy, no problem. You can times 8 times, 10 times.
Yes,
Yeah.
actually, I think recently it's very popular to use PMPO
In different markets.
in different markets,
Yeah.
and some people say that if you split PMPO by 3, then you get RMS. But actually, it's not completely accurate because it really depends on every particular market.
Yeah.
You can see maybe in your industry how other importers, which numbers they use on their advertising materials, on their gift
Just
boxes.
check out their power voltage. You get the idea.
Because, you know, we have one customer which uses 20,000 watt PMPO, but it's actually a 20 watt product,
Yes.
you know. So it's really up to you. And, you know, some customers, when they ask me, for example, when they prepare gift box or some other materials, they ask me which power I suggest to put on the box, but it's really up to you.
Up to the market.
It depending on your market,
Yes.
right? Not on us, because us as a manufacturer, we can operate only with RMS, real power, which
Real
we
power.
get from this driver and from this amplifier.
Can be tested.
It can be tested, exactly, but PMPO, I think it can be tested.
No.
That's right. So, and actually sometimes when some customers ask me, for example, Victoria, why your soundbar is only 60 watt, but our other suppliers' soundbars are 140, 80 or 300. Well, you know, every time people ask me that, I tell them, please check the other supplier specifications. Please check how big the size of the soundbar is, the size of subwoofer, the size of the speakers inside, because, you know, soundbar, it's
Basically, if I may, the thing is, if you check out their power consumption, you get a rough idea. You just need to times the power consumption and then and then times about 70 or 80%. That's roughly their IMS, because the
Okay.
machine itself, it consumes while they're transmitting some electricity to the speaker, to the LED screen. Yeah, things like this. So there will be some power loss during that, and then the rest of it generate to the speaker and then push out to the sound.
Yeah.
So if they are saying the power is 140, but turns out their voltage is only like maybe 20/5, then that's definitely not going to happen.
Yeah, but that's important to get real numbers from
Yes.
from your suppliers, you know, because they can be anything
Yes.
you want. And actually, you know, soundbar, there are limits on the power output because of its size. Actually, it's too slim to be able to put really
Big sound.
high amplifier, right, and high amplifier speakers, because its components need to be smaller, right, to be compact size. So practically for a home use soundbar, it really can be made with a too high power output. That's the truth.
It's not a home theater.
Yes, and actually the drivers we use in our soundbars for this model, it's 2-inch drivers. We have 2-inch drivers, and for this one is 2.5 inch. You can see it's bigger in order to put bigger size speaker inside. And for 2.0 models, we use 2 or 4 speakers depending on your requirement and your price target. But for 2.1 channel, for models with a subwoofer, we use always 4 drivers for the soundbar, and plus of course a driver in the subwoofer, because in this way you can reach a more balanced and more good sound. And actually, no matter if it's 2.1 or 2.0 soundbar, there is also a passive bass radiator in our soundbars.
This size.
Yes, which also contributes to a better sound. And the subwoofer, of course, if you are considering, for example, to add soundbar models into a product range, I think a model with a subwoofer really should be added, because subwoofer helps to create a bigger and fuller sound and project the sound through the room, you know, like a good home theater system does.
Yes.
So it's also a good option, and many people choose soundbars with a subwoofer.
Yes.
So you also might consider it. Well, maybe maybe let's hear the sound of our soundbar. Okay.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. Just a second.
Is it on?
Yeah, it is. Okay.
Stay here.
Sorry.
It's okay. This sounds okay. Stay here.
Turn up when the bass drops.
Actually, we can't put it to the maximum volume because
I'm checking the mic level here.
Yeah,
It will
there are some
explode
restrictions on
in
that.
your speaker, probably. Yes.
That's right. So, but please, if you are interested, you always can get a sample from us.
Yes.
Please get a sample, compare our soundbar with other suppliers. We are welcome when you
Get in touch.
get in touch with us, please.
Yeah. Share your contact
Yes.
to here. Get a sample, test it, and you will know.
Please contact us.
Yes.
And also, when I also wanted to say a couple of words about soundbar outputs, which we have, you know, complete outputs for connecting your soundbar to a TV, aux, optical, coaxial, because all the TV, they also have these inputs, and HDMI ARC. HDMI ARC, actually, we leave it as an optional function, because, you know, actually not all the soundbars in the market have it, and you can choose. It's an option, and actually it helps to add the value to the product.
Yeah, more selling point.
Yes, it's another selling point. And actually our HDMI ARC functions allows to control the volume and the power for a soundbar and a TV, which you connected to with a single remote control. So you either can control it by a TV remote control or by a soundbar remote control.
That's cool.
So it's also very useful.
It's
I think.
synchronous. You don't
Yes.
need to use two remote to control.
That's right. And most of the modern TVs, they all have HDMI ARC
nowadays it is.
input.
Yes.
That's right. And what about the basic accessories we offer with our soundbars? Well, practically it's remote control, also an aux cable to connect to your phone, or you connect to TV as well, and the wall mount screw. Unfortunately, I haven't brought it with me, but you use it to fix your soundbar to a wall.
Yeah.
That's right. You
Or
can.
to anything, a wall mount.
Yeah. So it also, and you also can choose some optional accessories which are charged extra, but maybe some customers would like to, like an additional support.
By the way, I just popped up to my head. I remember we do have even a smaller size one of the soundbar. These are all for home use, right? But you also
yeah.
have a smaller one
Yes, we do
for computer.
a portable small soundbar.
Yeah, so we didn't show it here, but
Yeah.
you know how to get the information, right? Just send to this email address, and
you.
Victoria will share with you the smaller one. So probably very good for e-commerce sales
Yes.
for like some students with their
or maybe
laptops.
as a present, as like a
cool.
supportive product
Yeah.
for other products you're
Very
doing.
reasonable price.
Maybe I should get it.
Nah, it's alright.
Okay.
Just
It's
get the
like,
chance to
yeah,
sing.
it's look like a small soundbar like this one, but maybe
Slimmer.
half.
Yes, it's
Yeah, and it's both a soundbar and a Bluetooth speaker. You
Yes,
know, it's
so
portable.
It's portable.
Quite nice.
Okay. Does it come with because it's portable, so it must come with battery
Yeah,
inside.
it has battery inside.
Yeah, so it is quite a cool product to start with if you want to, it's different segment. This is more for home use, and the other soundbar, smaller one, very cute, very good for present, and very price comparative as well.
It is.
Yes. So if you want more, share your contact with us, share it to
Right.
Victoria. Yeah, and this is her email address. It's just pop by email. Hey, I want to see the mini soundbar.
Thank you, Dan. So, and actually some more information about our functions, and you must be surprised to know that when you use Bluetooth to connect your soundbar to your phone, well, it must be within 10 meters distance. And what happens when you receive a call? Well, the soundbar will stop playing the music while you talking, and when you hang up, it will restore the playing sound automatically. So it's also quite convenient, right? USB supports up to 999 tracks and 99 folders, both MP3 and WMA formats, and up to 64 GB USB
That's
can
quite
be used. That's right. So also about AC cable, which we wanted to, AC cable in our soundbars is not detachable, but it can pass pulling test. It's not easy to be pulled, and we use wide range voltage from 100 to 240 volt for all our products, because it allows to use our products everywhere in the world, and we use only certified power cords and adapters for those countries maybe where certification is needed. And I think maybe many of you have some concerns or questions about our quality and after sales service, especially for those who hears about us for the first time. And on this point, I would like to mention that we are an ISO certified factory, and we are being regularly inspected by both third parties and our own customers on the matter of production and quality control. We also have BSCI social responsibility approval, and we update BSCI audit every day. And we are also approved by Walmart because Walmart is one of our customers.
And they're the most strict supply chain control
That's
brand.
right.
Yeah.
And we know that many other customers also recognize Walmart audit. So we also do have it. And we are really honest and open in our actions and want to make products that we could be proud of. That's our main intention. And actually, you see, we also introduced earlier, then we have more than 500 staff and more than 140 people are occupied in quality control department. 140, it's like every fifth, right? No. Sorry,
More
my
than
math is bad.
More than that.
Yeah, that's right. So actually, we why is that? Because it's quite amazing. Because we since our establishment in 2005, we have been following our own 4-level quality control system, which includes IQC, which means every kind of incoming materials.
There are people to check whether
Yes,
the incoming goods are good.
They are being inspected and they are being either sent to suppliers for rework if there are any defects, or we ask our suppliers to come to rework. We are very strict on this materials control stage. Then IPQC, which means in process quality control.
During the production
During the
assembly
production,
line.
yes. So every single unit which comes on the line is being tested functionally.
With different steps, they will need to test
Different
it again.
step, different equipment. That's
Yes.
right. Then FQC, which means final quality control of packed goods when they are being packed. Then our QC team is going through another level of
So the
control.
most different compared to us and other supplier, from what I know, is most of them they got it IQC and they got it FQC, and they skip the IPQC and they don't have the OQC. So what they do is they check the raw material roughly, and then they check everything is assembled. But if they find out everything is assembled, got problem with that, then they will need to diagnose which step got wrong.
That's right.
And they, frankly speaking, they just didn't check as frequent as we did.
Yes,
So-
that's right. That's why maybe it takes longer time for us to produce the goods, because we really have 4 stages of inspection to
Yes.
make sure there are no any flaws with your product. And then OQC, which means outgoing quality control before the goods are actually loaded into the container, because sometimes it takes some time since after the goods were packed and before they are actually loaded. So we really do care about our quality, and as our boss likes to say, quality is
the
a foundation
of
of everything. That's right.
Yes.
You can see some pictures from our these people here are doing quality tests.
Yes.
Then some equipment which helps us to test every order, every product. Drop tester, high temperature tester. And we really can say we're proud of our QC system,
much.
right then?
Yes.
Because we really do have a very long and very precise testing of all. And for both materials and finished goods. Because we think it's really our responsibility as a manufacturer. We are not looking for a quick profit. We are looking for a long-term relationship. And we think that our benefit, our win, and our success starts not after we signed an order with you, made goods ready and ship them to you. No, it starts only when you sell out the goods successfully and get back to us with a repeat order and become our loyal customer. Then we think we succeeded,
Yes.
That's very important for us. So please let us say it one more time, the advantages of our soundbars, which we describe right now, which is one of our best-selling products. Well, they take up less space,
Compact.
very compact, they are easy to set up and to adjust. They are more affordable, the price is very good, and we do have different price options and different models. So if you are interested, please remember to contact us. And we can say that really soundbar becomes a very good supportive product for TV, because it's a great compromise between big surround sound 5.1 home theater systems and built-in TV speakers, right?
Yes.
So it's compact, it's easy to set up, it really great helps to improve the sound quality coming from TV, and of course it helps us to spend more quality time at home, to enjoy the time at home, enjoy the movies, enjoy the music, and enjoy our life.
Yes.
Right.
That's what we're promoting.
Yes. Thank you very much for listening us. It was our pleasure to introduce our soundbars.
Yes.
And that's not our only product.
No.
Stay with us. We have a lot more information to
If
share.
you skip this show before, please contact
Please
Victoria.
contact us for more information. We do have many different products.
We got different series.
Yes, and we are sure you could find something that will suit you.
If not, we are still manufacturers.
Yes, so please give us your ideas, share your feedback with us, and we can discuss.
Yes.
Stay with us.
Stay with LEIYON.
Stay with LEIYON. Thank you very much.
Thank you.